Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Buick Enclave. Stock number is A7788. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Waterfall chrome grille definitely adds a sharp feature up front. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Forterra tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Buick on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.